holding on for his life, right there. Oh, this is probably the most unstable carnival I've ever seen. Woo! He's raising his hand. He's probably scared to death. Oh wow. Still going. Jack it's starting to look a little bit sick. It's going really high. Jack looks horrified for his life. So, yeah. He's just clapping. Just clapping. He's given up all hope. I feel bad for him. He's right there. Let's see what his reaction is once he gets off. What the heck? The ride is stopping. The dude is coming around. Are you good? You look like you were just like sitting there like you giving up all hope. I'm filming. Okay, say bye to YouTube.
What? Bye, YouTube?